Hi traders, thank you for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a recent trade that we took here on IBM, some call options, and I'm going to go over exactly why we took the trade and the thought process behind it. And the idea here is for you to learn and get better as a trader so that you can maybe learn these strategies and implement them into your own trading. So if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage, get to know us better, and then sign up for the premium membership. As soon as you sign up for the premium membership, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting on a daily basis. If you want to make winning trade alerts like the one that we're doing here on IBM, then this is the perfect opportunity for you to improve your trading and get better as a trader. All right, so we're going to take a look at IBM, and we got in on some call options right here on this day. All right, that was the 15th of November. And why were we looking for an entry there? Okay, the reason why is we've got a couple of reasons here. All right, so we've got this resistance here that turned into support. You can see it was resistance there, there. It broke over that level here, came back down, used it as support, and then got a big bounce. All right, so that's one reason. The other reason is we have this gap fill. All right, so there's this big gap that was created. All right, so here's that big gap here, came down and filled that gap. Notice how it bounced right after that gap fill. All right. The other reason too is we've got pretty good volume support. You can see the volume by price bar right here. Obviously this one is bigger, but this one is the second biggest one right there. So we've got volume support. We also have a Fibonacci retracement here. If you draw it from the lows here to the highs here, all right, and that gives you the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level right here, 61.8, that matches up perfectly with this level. So we've got a gap fill, we've got support, we've got volume support, we've got a Fibonacci golden ratio 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, all lining up here at the same level. All right, so here is the alert that we did here. You can see here, trade alert, IBM, April calls. We got the 150 strike and we paid $6 for them. All right, you can see that here. On November 15th, right here is when we alerted this. We alert these on the private Twitter feed for the members only, and also via text message. So in case you guys aren't on the Twitter feed all day long, which most of our members are not, you can get these alerts still via text message. So that's why we got the alert there. And we took some profits at our first target. All right, our first target was up here. All right, and that's based off of the lows of these days right here. All right, so here's the lows of these days right there, and that's why we were looking for profits right there. So we took profits right there. We took half of our profits right there. All right, so we sold half and kept half. All right, so we sold half. So here's that alert on the 21st of November, which is just 6 days later. Out half of the IBM 150 calls at 805 from our $6 entry. And that's about a 33% win for us right there. Solid gains there. All right, so we held on to the other half of the position, and we were looking for about 154.50, and we got that on the high of this day right here, which was Thursday of this previous week. All right, so Thursday of last week, near the highs of the day right there is when we took profits. We took profits here because of the resistance from the upper end of these candles here, as well as, I'll delete that Fibonacci retracement and I'll draw another one from this high to this low right there, and you get the 50% and the 61.8% just above that. So we wanted to take profits there. So we got the Fibonacci retracement, we've got the resistance from these highs over here, plus we've got the volume point of control right here. You can see that a big bar right here, this red bar right here, that is coming out of the chart right there, and that is going to be a big level of resistance for IBM. Not saying it's going to come down from here, but with options, you got time on your hands. You want to take profits when you get them. So we've got resistance there from the volume resistance. We've got resistance from the highs of these days over here, and we've got the Fibonacci retracement level. So all those things lining up is the reason why we sold the last half of the position there, and I'll show you that alert right now. So we got out here, all out. The rest of the IBM April 150 calls at 9:40 from our $6 entry. That's about what, a 60% win there for us on these options here on that second half. So that is a very nice win for us, and you can see we used sound technical analysis. We didn't get lucky. We didn't do anything like that. These are methods we use day in and day out within the membership, and the best part is that you can sign up today and get these trade alerts just like the one we did on IBM. So if you want to improve your trading, you want to start making winning trades in the market, then sign up right now and you're going to get instant access to profitable trade alerts just like the one that you saw on IBM.